Okay, welcome back. What we want to look at is flowcharts, okay, and how you can design them. Hopefully you'll find the information useful. Okay, so flowchart. What is a flowchart? I'm hoping that I can make this big enough for you to see it, okay? And I don't need to read this out to you, okay? Right? A diagram which is made up of specific symbols, example rectangles and diamonds, etc. Okay. Come back a bit. Okay. And here's an example, okay, of that. And here you can have your start, entering a room, for instance. Start, enter room. Is it dark? Yes or no? If yes, switch the light on, sit down, and if no, go back. Is room dark? Switch the lights on. Okay, it just simply shows you the process that you will need to do or to carry out to complete a given action. Okay. Flowcharts have processes, okay? Actions are represented by a rectangle with an arrow going in and one coming out, okay? As you can see there, okay? Simple flowchart. We've looked at this earlier at the top, okay? So all this now is doing is just probably and giving you a bit more information, hopefully, okay? Now it's okay, I'm looking at this here now because we were given this basically for use. So the subscription for this was paid at the time, okay? Whether it's used, whether it's applicable now or not, I don't know. But anyway, we'll see what we come up with. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.